What's up guys, it's Aaron from How To's by Bros. In this video I will be showing you how to do a burpee properly for beginners. So what you're going to do first of all is warm up. So warm up your shoulders. You don't want to just be diving right into a burpee because it's going to wreck your shoulders in half, you know. So just do some arm circles, some scissors that I was doing before. Warm up the wrist a little bit. Okay, so first of all, for the burpee guys, pretty simple. I'm just gonna be showing you exactly how I execute a burpee, how I do a burpee exactly properly for beginners. If you're a beginner, this is the video just for you. So for a burpee guys, what you're gonna do is, okay, so the first time it's not gonna look as fluid as you want, because obviously it's just, if you've never done it before for beginners. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna squat down, put your arms out in a high plank position, do a push-up, jump, hands and feet up like this, and then jump up. So that's pretty much the burpee guys. Burpee is an excellent movement just to lose weight and to help you get a lot of cardio in. Burpees, you can do burpees every hour on the hour, 10 burpees on the hour, maybe like, you know, at 12 o'clock do 10, 1 o'clock do 10, and then so on. And I promise you, you're gonna lose some weight if you balance that out with nutrition. And yeah, so burpees are an excellent movement. I'll show you a few full ones without doing step by step. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, hit that notifications bell for more videos. Click the link in the description for my story, and I'll talk to you guys later. God bless.